Hello, this is Mosh. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share a website, basically a CPA website. And this website pays you for easy actions, and you can make $100 a day to $1,000 a day, or even more. Sky is the limit what you can do with this website and their business model, how much money you can make. But there are a couple of limitations that I will share with you, and as usual I will give you my software 100% free. Links will be in the description. You can get them later. Don't go there right now. Keep watching this video until we show you how to register on this website and way up to how to make money from this website. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online, and that is called CPA Marketing. Of course we'll go there, but before that, what is CPA Marketing? CPA marketing is the way of marketing where the clients will pay you for taking certain actions. So that action can be clicking on a link, or then action can be watching videos, or action can be lead generation, getting sign-ups from other people or from targeted traffic. Now that leads us to the second problem that I'm about to solve. It is traffic problem. But the first and the biggest problem on CPA websites is that they don't approve the beginners, because beginners don't have the experience to drive targeted and quality traffic. So they get traffic from different wrong sources, and that becomes a problem for these CPA websites. So getting approval for the beginners is one of the biggest problems when it comes to CPA marketing. But on this website, we figured that it's extremely easy to get approval even for beginners. So problem number one is solved. Problem number two is traffic. No matter what you do, whether you sell or not, yes, of course, on CPA, you mostly don't have to sell, but still you need traffic. Now, traffic problem is solved using my own system. As you can see, we make videos every single day. Why would we do that? Because we know video marketing works. People love videos. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. People love to watch videos, period. So we make videos every day, and in last 28 days, we got over 9,000 views in our channel. And 80% of those viewers came from YouTube, completely organic. From there, we built a list of 9,000 views in 28 days. Is really awesome when it comes to a beginner channel like ours. But if you look at other channels, hundreds of other channels getting thousands or even millions of views every single day. Imagine the amount of traffic they are getting. But I know a lot of my viewers, my customers and followers hate video creation because it's not easy, and that's where my free software, no, my premium software comes in, and it's coming in for you, my viewers, 100% free. This software writes a script for you using AI. This software speaks voice over for you, so you don't have to. This software works in sections, so you can record sections by sections, small or big, and then the software will put those sections, split sections together and turn into your video. All you have to do is to push one button to upload the video on YouTube and start getting traffic. Link is in the description. This video software is 100% free, but again, don't go there, take it later. Right now, let's go and see how to make money from this CPA website. Now, stick to the end of the video, because at the end of this walkthrough, I will also show you why they are running this business. Why are they paying people like you or me, the CPA marketers? Who are the people they are paying? And what should we do about it to make even more money? And it will also come with a premium software, 100% free. Again, link is in the description, but you can go there later. Let's first watch the full video, learn how to make money, how to make more money, how to make money like them, and build a solid business online so you can make passive income from the internet for a long time. Did you like your video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you're telling YouTube that this video is a good one and they should show this video to more viewers This way YouTube will show this video to more viewers, we will get views, and you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Let's begin. Okay, we are on cpagrip.com, cpagrip.com. First, everyone should go to the menu and check all the sections, what they're talking about, how to make money, what to do, how to get paid, what support they will provide you, how long will it take to get paid, what is the mode of payment. First, go to register and create your account, but before that, have a quick look at the landing page. So why CPA Creep? They are saying they are an industry leader. This is how the CPA Creep dashboard looks like. This is how the statistics overview looks like. Some of the publisher testimonials. First, let's go to the tools section. They provide awesome monetization tools like content locker, URL locker, video locker, offer walls, virtual currency. These tools help you get a better conversion faster, which makes you money faster. In order to start, you first have to register. Now we have registered and got inside our dashboard, and this is how the dashboard looks like. The public chat section is a public dashboard where you can see what other affiliates are doing and how much money they have made. Before you start using, you have to verify your email address and you have to upload your tax documents. And of course, you have to integrate your payment system. In this case, they pay you via PayPal, Payoneer, and bank account. Now the account has been approved. On the left hand side, you can see recently added offers, and on the right hand side, top performing offers. You can check the country of origin, the payout amount, and on the right widget, you can find the latest industry news. This is the statistics overview section. It's a new account, so there is no number here. This is how the content locker section looks like. Click on this button to create a new content locker. This is video locker section, and this is offer walls section. They have multiple offer tools, postback tools, and an awesome referral program. You make 5% on all earnings that your friends generate for life. So copy this referral link and share with your friends who are interested in CPA or affiliate marketing. Once they join, whatever money they make for a lifetime, you get 5% of all their earnings. Now here is the payment center. They pay out through either PayPal or Payoneer or directly bank accounts, but it has to be US bank accounts only. Now under support, you'll get frequent questions, which is FAQ. I highly recommend everyone to go through every frequently asked questions and their answers, because these answers reflect their policies clearly. Especially, how do I get paid section? Very important. You understand how they pay and how you get paid. You don't want to be in a situation, well, you worked and you made money, but you didn't get paid because of their policy. Some of the new kinds and interesting questions are there. They actually came from other users or other affiliates, which means they're also valuable, so go through the answers. Now let me show you how to run a campaign and make money. So for that, go to Offer Tools and then click My Offers. On this page, you can select country, category. You can choose campaigns specifically for computers or mobile or for all devices. And this table will give you the listings of the offers according to type, category. It will show you image preview or the thumbnail, title, description, payout, which is very important. So let us choose a country. We'll choose United States. So all the United States offers are showing on the table currently. Now the payout is important because that tells you how much money you're going to make per action from your audience. And net EPC at the end, the purple column, is the average of how much money people are making per click. The first one seems promising because the payout is the highest. So it's a zip or email submit offer. All you have to do is to copy your referral link and send US traffic only. For each sign up with email or zip code or both, you will get paid $2.31. Similarly, you can choose offers depending on what your audience likes or what audience you have. or how much money you're going to potentially make. Sometimes you may find the most profitable offer after testing a couple. Sometimes it may take a little time and a little test to find out the highest converting offer for your audience. Now, the secret of success in internet marketing is generating leads, and that is why all these people are paying money for generating leads for them. So if you want highest success in internet marketing, you must add lead generation mechanism into your own business, and link in the description will give you my software, premium software, 100% free to generate. Now we have one problem left, and that is called traffic. Traffic is the biggest problem for all internet market, but I am going to be truthful. We make videos to get traffic. If you look at our channel, our video views are not hundreds of thousands of views, but in the last 28 days we got 9,000 views, which means 9,000 real human beings watched our videos. They loved our videos, subscribed to our channels, they signed up to our mailing list, and they purchased from us a lot, so we made money. But in this video we are not talking about selling. You're going to make money without selling using CPA, but still you need traffic. The problem is video creation is not easy, and most of my customers hate to be in the camera. The solution is my software Epic. So this software writes text for you using AI. So let's say we are making a video about opt-in page. Copy this text from an awesome article, go to the text generator, Control V, click save, and the text is generated here. If you click add text, the text is added. Now the text is added and we want to create a voiceover for this, so Control V, go to audio section and click this button, add a title, text is speed medium and voice Kimberly female, add the text as description and click submit. The voiceover will be found in the text to audio section. Click play if you want to hear, and once you're happy with it, click add, and the voiceover is added to the slide. Now go to image. If you want to add an image, go to this page, and let's say you want to use this particular image. Simply copy image address and Control V, paste it here. The image is imported automatically to your video. Let's add a title, and the title is here. Just a little drag and drop, make it perfect, little formatting as you want, and your slide is ready. Now the best part of it is that once you have done a section of the video, just click save, and this saved project will be there for you. Whenever you are ready to add more to the video, just click add new, and you can add another section and add more and more sections to make as long video as you want, without writing script, without creating image or media, without adding voiceover, without using camera. The video is created using AI and the software. Once you are ready, your video is complete, click render, and once your video rendering is done, you will receive an email notification, and you can use this video on your YouTube channel and get traffic 100% free. A version of this software is 100% free available. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, all for you. If you like our video, the informations we share, the generous information and premium softwares we share with you 100% free, and you want to get new information, education and softwares from us on regular basis, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you the first when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.